in progress.
All of you sit straight in Sukhasana. If you back straight, hands in Janu. Sukhasana, you can sit. Sukhasana like this. Keep your back straight, neck straight. Okay, keep your neck straight. So we'll do the prayer for this month, the coming month. So today's class is an interactive session, and the purpose of today's class is to understand what we are going to do in the next. That is the purpose of today's class. Okay? So we'll try to do it. Okay? All the things that we're going to do. So there are different things you can do. You can do with me. One, I'll be explaining at the same time, or you can observe how to do it, or you can ask questions as well. Okay? There will be limited time for interaction today because it's a complete month explanation going to happen. So my mic is kept here, so I don't have a collar mic today. So there may be a little sound, not very strong. So please accommodate. So we do the prayer first. Okay, keeping the back erect. Inhale, take your arms up, join your hands up, and then exhale to bring to heart. Okay, close your eyes. Take inhalation together. You don't have to repeat. Try to sing along with me. You may not be knowing that. It's fine. Sanghatvam samvadhatvam Sambho manamsi janata Deva bhagam yadha purve Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate. Together all of us. Inhaling, take your hands straight upwards. This is how you have to come back. Exhaling, bring it downwards. And open your eyes. Keep your hands down. Sitting straight, very important. Okay. What are the signs of sitting straight? Your chest will be up, shoulders will be wide. You'll get original backbone. Just observe my back. If you sit like this, one. You never sit like this. If you bulge your lower back, never sit with rounded back. Sit upright. In case you have a problem of sitting in Sukhasana, like little difficulty, what you should do, you use, you have to use two bricks like this. What do you do? Put the bricks below your hips, below your back, and sit on the brick. So when you sit like this, you can see that hip elevates, and you feel very more stable. You can try using two bricks if you wish. Okay, you can try. Pick up two bricks and try to sit with them. You'll feel very more easy. So the other method is Vajrasana. That's it. So here automatically your heel will give you height. Okay, perfect. So this month the loosening practices are in lying down today. Okay. So all of us please lie down. Okay. So you lie down in such a way so that you can see me in case you don't have clarity on the instructions. So after lying down, keep the legs together and hands close to the body on the mat. Now, inhaling, point your toes forward. Point it. Exhale, point it backwards. Inhale, front, point your toe. Exhale, back. In case you have doubt, look at me, okay? Inhale, front. No doubt, don't look at me. Exhale, pull your feet backwards. Inhale, front. Stretch your fingers. Exhale, pull it back. One more time. Inhale, point your fingers, and exhale, pull it back. Now rotate the feet. One, all the sides are rotating. Two, keep your toes and heels together. Three, slowly rotate. Four, try to go with my count. Five, now opposite side rotate. One, all sides, 10 9. Two, take it closer to the knee also. 3. Your toe has to come towards the knee also, right? 4. All the sides you have to take. One more round. 5. Now bend both the legs. Bend your legs. Keep your feet close to the buttocks. Okay? Done. Inhaling, straighten your left leg up. Okay? Exhale, bend it. Inhale, right leg up. Slowly, Tanmay. Exhale, bend. Keep it. Inhale, left. Point your toe. Exhale, bend. Deepak, your toe should be pointed. Inhale, right. Point your toe upward. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, left. Point your toe upwards. Exhale, bend. Correct. Inhale, right leg and exhale, bend. Now both together. Okay. Inhale, 1. Together, straighten. Don't lift your hip, Tanmay. Exhale, bend. Only leg lifting. Inhale, 2. Keep the leg together. Exhale, bend and keep it on the floor. Keep it on the floor. Inhale, 3. Just straighten your leg only. Exhale, bend. That's nice. Inhale, 4. Straighten your leg. Exhale, bend. Knees together. Inhale, 5. And exhale, bend. That's it. Keep it there. Inhale, spread your hands sideways. Keep them shoulder level. Arun, and sideways. Exhale, tilt your knees to the left side. Both the knees together. Left side. And look at your right hand. Inhale, bring it back. Look at the sky. Exhale, tilt to the right side. Look at your left hand. Yeah. Inhale, up. Look up. Exhale, left. Look to the other hand. Inhale, up. Center position. Exhale, right. This is a spinal twisting. Inhale, up. Center. Exhale, left. Look to the other hand. Inhale, up. You have to do 3 times. Exhale, right. Look to the left hand. Inhale, up. One more time, Arun. Exhale, left. Look to the right. Inhale, up. Look up. Exhale to the right. Look at the left hand. And inhale, up. Look up. Now exhaling, keep your leg down, hand also down. Both will come down. Okay? Done. Inhale, take your arms over your head. Both the arms over your head. Exhaling, point your toes forward. Okay, now one leg lifting. Inhale, left leg up 90 degrees without lifting the other leg. Exhale, keep it down. Inhale, take the right leg now. Very good. Exhale, keep it down. 3 times each. Inhale, left. Slowly, Deepak. Exhale, slowly keep. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, left. Straight up. Exhale, down. Straight up, Tanmay. What is this? Half lifting? Inhale, right. 90 degrees you have to lift it up. And exhale, down. Now together both the legs. Inhale, 1. Without bending the knee. Exhale, down. Keep your legs together. Straight, straight. Inhale, 2. Without bending the knee, lift it up. Exhale, down. Don't drop it. Keep it. Inhale, 3. Straight, lift it up. Correct. Exhale, down. 3 times. Don't drop it, Arun. Inhale, 4. I should not hear the sound only. Exhale, down. Tanmay, 5 times you have to do it. Inhale, 5. Now stay there for some time. 1. Straight up, Tanmay. Straight up. 2. Tanmay. 3. Lift it up now. 4. What are you waiting for? 5. Take it straight up. 6. Towards the sky. 7. 8. Maintain 90 degrees. 9. Point your toes. And 10. Exhale. Keep your leg down. Good. Now inhaling in this position. Exhale. Bring the hands down. All of your hands down. Now next is the Pavanamukta crunches. So lift both your legs 30 degrees above the ground with an inhalation. 30 degrees. Exhale. Bend your left leg, chin on the knee. Look at this, Arun. Like this. Inhale, release. Exhale, touch the other leg. Other leg, right leg. Now release and left leg. Other leg straight, Tanmay. Why it is lifting? Keep it 30 degrees, other leg. Other leg 30 degrees. Release, take the other leg. Inhale out, exhale left. Inhale, release, exhale right. release, left, release, right, release, left, release, right. One more time. Release, left, release, right. Now inhale, head down, left leg down. On the exhalation, release the right leg. Just all of you just look at me. Can you sit up, all three? All four, sit up, sit up, sit up. No, just raise up. So how did I do it? I lifted like this. Then 1, release. 2, release. 3, release. 4, got it? Then inhale, head down, leg down. Exhale, release. All of you do it again. Once again, do it. Lift both your legs in 30-degree angle. Both the legs up. Now bend left leg, chin on the knee. Release. Right leg. Release. Left leg. Release. Right leg. Release. Left leg. Release. Right leg. Release. Left leg. Release. Right leg. One more last time. Release. Left leg. Release. Right leg. Right leg. Right leg. That's the right leg. Yeah. Now inhale. Head down. Left leg down. On the exhalation, release your left. Right leg. That's it. Now inhale. Take your right arm over your head. Bend your left leg. Right arm over the head. Bend your left leg. Okay. Exhale. Turn to the ground. Lie down on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Now, keep both the palm by the side of your chest. Palm by the chest. Elbow should be close to the wall. Okay. Inhale, lift your upper body like a cobra. Lift it up. Exhale, go down. 5 times, okay? Inhale, 2. Lift it up. Exhale, down. Deeper. Inhale, 3. Lift the upper body. Exhale, down. Whatever possible. Inhale, 4. Lift it up, lift it up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, 5. Now stay there for some time. 1, 2, let's arch your back. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, go down. Enough. Now inhale, come on the knees and hands like a table. All of you come on. On the exhale, turn to the front. All of you turn forward. So what is this position called? Anybody? Chetna? Yeah. Cat position, or you can call it table also. Okay. You can do standing toe. So this is standing toe. This is sleeping toe. Right? What about fingers? Finger wide open. All fingers like this. Full open. Never keep like this. Now we're going to do Marjorie level 2. Starting with left hand, right leg. Inhale, press the left hand, right leg. Exhale, fold elbow on the knee. Inhale, 2. Both the sides you have to stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Leg also, don't keep it down. Keep it like this. Inhale. Same side. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Stay there. And look at your hand. 1, 2, hand up. 3, leg also up. 4, 5. Exhale, elbow touch the knee. Here. 1. Which elbow? 2, 3. On the knee. 4, 5. Inhale to capture it. Keep distance. No. Why are you too close? No. Take your knee backward. Backward. Now other side. Inhale, 1. Right hand, left leg. You have to point your toe also. Knee straight. Exhale, 4. Hold it. Arun. Inhale, 2. Both way stretch. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 3. Exhale. You should look like aeroplane. Inhale. Straight. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Stay for a while. 1. 2. Look at the hand. 2 are biting the lips. 4, 5. Exhale, elbow touching. 1, 2. Balance. 3, 4. Look at the knee. 5. Inhale to cat position. Exhale, sit Vajrasana. Okay. Now bring your arms in front, parallel to the ground. Close, open, twist, close, open, close, open, close, open. One more. Close, open. Palm down, up, down, up, down, down, all are loosening, up, down, up, fist close, wrist rotation, 1, 2, keep the neck straight, your neck is like this, 4, keep it straight, 5, reverse, 1, 2, observe the fist, 3, 4, 5, hands on shoulder, straighten the arms, fold, straight, fold, straight, fold, straight, one more, fold, straight. Now fold it, touch your elbows in front, shoulder, slowly, slowly. Look forward. Breathe with me. Inhale and exhale. One more. Opposite side. 1. What is this called? Tame. 2. Then? Why confusion? 3. Look forward. Deepak. 4. Try to straighten your back. One more round. 5. Then interlock your finger. Inhale and stretch your hands to the side. Don't look up. Look straight. The spine becomes long. 1. Normal breathe. Look forward in front of you. 2. Use your arms to lengthen your back. 3. Lock the anus. 4. Long back. Upward stretch. 5. Exhale. You bring your hand like this, right? Now inhale, sit to one side. Exhale, release the legs in front of you. Hands back, shake your legs. Yeah, come. As you wish. Keep one slot gap. Okay, like they are sitting, no, one slot gap. What is the next loosening practice? Uma? Everything over. Next is neck loosening. Okay? Correct. Put your chin down. Then rotate your neck. 1. Take all the sides. 2. Close your eyes. Why? Because you may get giddiness. 3. Practice nice and good neck rotation. 4. Try to tilt your head. Don't take chin sideways. Arun. 5. Observe, see, you have to tilt. And now you observe, Arun, how I am tilting. Okay? 1. Other side. 2. Go through all the corners, backwards, sideways, everywhere you have to go. 3. Enjoy those movements. 4. Kai kochu back il gaya. Hello, side way kana kochu back il gaya. One more round. 5. Okay. Over. Sit straight. Okay. Last loosening practice is a forward bend. So inhale, take your arm up. See that length, you have to bring that length. Don't look up. Look up means gone. You have to look forward, keep your back straight, point your toes forward. Exhale, bend forward. Try to touch wherever you go. Okay. Inhale, sit up again. Point your toe. Exhale down. Yeah, you have to toe change. Okay. Inhale 3, lift it up and straighten your back. Exhale down. As much as possible. Gradually. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale 5. Exhale stomach. Look at my stomach here. Your stomach has to come down. Now stay there for some time. 1. Look at the toe. Your own toe. Good. Check. 2. Whatever possible. 3. Your toe is on my face. Your toe is on your leg now. Look at your toe. 4. Last moment you can put your head down. 5. Inhale, sit up, hands up, really. Straight upwards, not backward. Exhale, hands down. Sit straight. Done. Hold your legs, come to standing position. We've completed all the loosening practice. Anybody online, any questions on loosening practice? This is the loosening practice for this month, for September.
I have one question. When we do that Bhujangasana, so are we expected to do full or half?
धीरे-धीरे करके. जैसे कि पहले मैंने यहाँ पे चालू किया. पहला बस इतना हो. Exhale. दूसरा और थोड़ा. तीसरा और थोड़ा. Down. चौथा और थोड़ा. Now. Last one. So do it like that. So 1, 2, like that. These are loosening practice that we did. It was not asana practice, correct? Jump. Whatever we did till now, it's all what is it? You can your hand like this, loosening practice. Straight now. Don't be afraid of it. Okay. So from there we go to this one. What is the sequence? Chandra Namaskar. Okay. So first we do the mantra. Inhale, take your hand up. Join at the top. Exhale to heart. Just open. Close your eyes. Inhale. Together. Hiranmayena patrena Satyasya vihitam mukham Tatvam bhushannavarano Satya dharmaya drishtaye Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. Ideally, you are supposed to look your nose. Nose. You don't know, look at practice. Okay, that's what I'm going to do along with me. Come to front of mat. Always you have to start from my mat is longer, so I have a freedom of coming into that. Okay. Chandra Namaskara, let's do 2 rounds. Good back. Ekam, inhale, raise your arm, then back. 3, exhale, and forward. 3, left leg back, inhale, take your hands up. Like that. Chatwari, exhale, hands down. Only this one. Pancha, inhale, right leg back. Full palm. Shat, exhale, knee, chin and chest. Don't spread elbow. Why are you spreading elbow? Sapta, inhale, lift your chest. Ashta, exhale, lift your back. Nava, left foot front, inhale, take your hands up. Like that. Dasha, exhale, hands down, take the right leg forward. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up, stretch and look back. Samastiti, exhale. No problem. Ekam, inhale, raise your arm back. 3, exhale, bend the body. 3, right leg back, inhale, hands up. Look at your thumb. Chatwari, exhale, hands down, chin straight. Pancha, inhale, take the second leg. Where the hands are going front. Shat, exhale, knee, chin, chest. Elbow close to body, where is it spreading? Sakta, inhale, chest up. Slowly come up, 2 right. Ashta, exhale, lift your back. Nava, right leg front, inhale, hands up. You arch your back. Dasha, exhale, hands down, bring the left leg. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up, then back, look back. Samastiti, exhale. Third round. Ekam, inhale. 3, exhale. Full bend the body. 3, left leg, inhale, hands up. Chatwari, exhale. Chin straight. Pancha, inhale. Right line. Shat, exhale. Elbow close, elbow. Sakta, inhale. Push, see the legs are not touching the floor. Sleeping toe. Ashta, exhale. Nava, left leg front, inhale, hands up. C shape as well. You have to look back, you're looking at me. Dasha, exhale, bring the other leg. Ekadasha, inhale, stretch and then back. Dvadasha, exhale, no problem. Last one. Ekam, inhale. Breathe, exhale. Reach the body down. Freely, right leg, inhale, hands up. Make a C shape. To the right back. Chatwari, exhale. Keep the chin straight. Look at your nose. Pancha, inhale, other leg back. Plank, wide finger. Shut, exhale. Knee, chin and chest. Elbow close. Sapta, flip the toe. Inhale, lift your upper. Everything should be in the air. Upward, don't look at me. Ashta, exhale. Nava, right leg front. Inhale, hands up. With a C shape. Dasha, exhale, hands down and bring the left leg. Ekadasha, inhale, then back, look back. Down. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, hands down. Any doubts on Chandra Namaskar? Over, yes, over.
So that one mistake that every time you say, but I don't understand.
Now, which is right?
So I don't know if I'm doing this right. So this one, this one, you just say, go.
Yeah. This is correct. This goes right.
So even when I
In this position, this is where many people make a mistake. From here, when you lift up, like this, no? So this is wrong. Now, the body weight is on the back if I do this. Now, I'll show you the correct way. The body comes front. So the weight is on the hand, not here. This is wrong.
but for me it comes later, it doesn't come first.
Show me once again. Just go down to Ashtanga position. Ashtanga down position. Pull the body. This is correct.
This I do.
This is
in the
correct.
end it happens.
That's
Like
correct.
you always say we should do in the beginning.
I
For
do
me,
it. Come
that
front and
always
go.
happens like this.
Okay.
But the end position is
It's fine. That's fine.
this is.
See, now in your case, your elbow is going out. Come up again. Smiling better. No smiling. After class 24 hours smiling I can stand. While class no smiling. Go down without bending the elbow. Back without spreading the elbow. Bend your elbow backward. Now come up without spreading the elbow. Like that. So when you go down from here, the elbow will be close to the body. So that you're doing like this. It's not good. You go close to the body. While you come up also, your elbow should be close to the body. You don't spread your elbow. Okay, then that Anjaneyasana. This one I showed. Here, you push the hip forward, take the hand back. Try to that position, Anjaneyasana. This toe standing toe, back toe standing toe. Correct. Chetna, take your hand also back, Chetna. Correct. Are you showing me, Deepak? Rising hand. Now put your hand back. Keep your leg forward. No, front leg. Only little more front leg. Take your hand back. Elbow straight, elbow. Okay, now exhale, hands down. Anybody online, any questions on Chandra Namaskar? In doubt anything? Yeah. Hand together. All fingers together. Even your thumb should be along with the other fingers. Thumb no separate. Thumb together. Elbow straight. Look at your thumb. Thumb. Correct. Exhale, hands down. Bring the other leg forward.
Sir,
Yeah.
how do you bring the leg forward to that Chandrasana?
So from you're talking about from
Yeah, from there. Yeah.
here, right?
Yeah.
So here, front, this knee down and side. Like that. But this is next month sequence.
Balance.
No, I'm not. This month the sequence is different. This I'm talking about what we are going to do next month. Okay.
Okay.
So this month it was different sequence. I don't confuse with what is happening currently and what I'm showing. This is all for next month.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else? Otherwise, I go to the asana practice. Standing position. Come. Now, eye rotation and dhyana is all the same. We are not going to discuss much about that. All of you can come to the turn to your left and go to the left side of the mat. If you want to face me, you can face me. Go to one edge. Okay. So I'll start from this side. Okay, I'll start from here. So I'll be visible to all of you. Samasthiti. Leg side, hand side. Come to any one edge of the mat. Trikonasana, Parivarta Trikonasana this one. First two asanas. Ekam, inhale, right leg out, 3 feet catch over. Right leg out. How many right legs are there? Only one right leg, no? Catch over. On the exhalation, turn your right foot, look to the right. Look only, no shoulder turning. Only look. Otherwise, I will tell you, turn your shoulder. Now inhale, open your arms, bring it parallel to the floor. Look at, that's good. On the exhalation, bend your body sideways, bring your right hand behind the right leg and look at your left hand. Whatever possible. Now inhale, look at your left hand. You are not my left hand. Exhale. One breath is over. Inhale. Stay there. Now look at your left hand. Don't look at other people. Exhale. Try to reach your hand on the floor. Inhale without bending them. And exhale. Tail of the exhale, look down. All of you look down on your right foot. Now inhale, stand up, looking at your right hand. Your hands are straight. Good. On the exhalation, turn forward. Turn forward. Where is changing the leg? What is it? There. Now inhale, turn your left foot, look at your left hand. Left foot, look at your left. On the exhalation, bend sideways. Bring your left hand behind your left leg. And look at your right hand. Inhale. Breathe with me. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Looking at the right hand, you have to stay balanced there. Exhale. Now look down. All of you look down on your left leg. Good. Now pancha. Inhale, stand up, looking at your left hand. Same side you have to look. On the exhalation, look forward, turn your foot. Now inhale again, turn your right foot out, look at your right hand. Okay. Now twist it. Exhale, your left hand should come to the right side. Twist the body. Left hand will come behind your right leg. So you twist the body and look at your right hand. Inhale. Yeah, correct. Exhale. Try to twist and say. Look at your right hand. Priya. Inhale. Correct only. Look at your right hand. Exhale. Now look down. All of you look at your bottom leg. Then inhale. Come up. Untwist your body. Look at your right hand. Good. Exhale. Turn forward. Mouth closed. Okay, deeper. Now inhale. Turn to the other side. You have to turn your left leg fully. Deeper. Left leg turn. On the exhale, twist the body. Right hand goes to the left side. Look at your left hand and take 2 breaths. Inhale. Parivarta Trikonasana. Exhale. 1. Inhale again. Try to balance in the twisted position. Exhale. Now all of you look down on the foot. On the foot. Good. Now inhale, stand up. Untwist your body. Look at your left hand. Same side you look. On the exhale, turn forward. Good. Inhale, catch your waist. Now you will turn and jump to the front. Okay, exhale, turn and jump. Once you jump, you have to land again. Okay, try again. When you land, you have to bring your feet together. See, samasthiti mein aa gaya. Do minute. Okay, so we finished Trikona, Parivarta Trikona. Now, we will discuss all the standing asanas, then only questions. Next 2 asanas, Virabhadrasana 3 and Utkatasana. Steps are important. Every step is not enough that you reach the correct place. How you reach there, that is also important. Correct? Whatever you do good thing by wrong deeds, not correct. Good deeds, good destination. You must see. Take in a leg. How is the balancing pose? Exhale, take the left foot forward, lift and catch it. Left foot forward. Good. Inhale, take your hands up, back foot up. Back foot up. Exhale, going forward. With balance. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, don't interlock finger. One. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Move forward. Good. Now inhale, stand up, back leg down behind. Exhale, catch your waist. Back leg down behind. Now inhale, walk forward, hands down. Back together. Exhale, left leg back at your waist. Same distance. Breathe. Inhale, hands up, back to back. Back to up. Exhale, bend forward. Try to lift your leg up. One point or two. One. One more breath. Two. Inhale, stand up, back foot down behind. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, walk forward, hands down. Exhale, walk back. Walk back, no. And then, not good. Okay. What is this asana called? Virabhadrasana 3. That is balancing pose for this one. Last standing asana, Utkatasana, chair posture. Samastha. Ekam, inhale, hands up. 3 exhale, bending like a chair. Look to the hand. One. My breath is audible to you. Two. One more breath. Look at your thumb. Three. 3 inhale, stand up. Look forward, forward. Chatwari. Samastha. Sitting is straight. You cannot make unwanted things. Stand no, without moving. Look forward, no shaking. Forward look. Don't look at my face. Look at one point on the wall. Don't blink your eye like this. Keep your eye open. Eye open. Without blinking. Don't blink now. Stop blinking. Look at one point. Keep your head straight. Look at one point. Keep your neck straight. Focus on one point. Don't blink your eyes like this. Stop that. All this is correct. No? These are the main things for yoga. Okay, relax a little. So see, look, when you practice, if you blink too many times, no, you will not get proper balance. Correct? So you should not blink too many times. That means mind is not clear. So shuffling between different things. You're not able to look one point. You're not able to keep your eyes steady. You're not able to stand straight. All these are signs of restlessness. So when you sit straight, stand straight, looking one point without looking anywhere else, then becomes the mind steady. I'm not saying that you should not close your eyes. Practice this at home. Try to stop blinking the eyes. Ideally, how many blinks are there in 1 minute as per biology? How many times the eye blinks in 1 minute? Anybody online? Yeah? What is it? What you said was somewhere close. 10 to 12 times. 5 seconds, one blink. Not like 1 second, one blink. So that much only. Okay. So all the standing asana over. Any queries on standing asana? 4 asanas we did. What are the name of the asanas? Trikonasana, Parivartrikonasana, Virabhadrasana 3 and Utkata. What is the meaning of Utkata?
Chair pose.
No, correct meaning. It is looking like chair. What is the meaning of Utkata? Huh? No. Meaning, Utkata means what? A Sanskrit word. Anybody online? Utkata means difficult. Utkata means difficult. Okay? No. Now, all of you sit. और हमारा वज्रासन में बैठ जाओ.
Sir,
अभी sitting आसन करेंगे.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for the Virabhadrasana, the hands are joined or like this?
No, join.
Joined.
Yeah, I think you could not see my hand, right? So,
Yeah.
here. Then exhale, then bend forward. I bring the weight forward. All the fingers are together. And the leg is taken up. See that parallel position? I'm looking forward. I'm trying to take the leg up and stretch all the fingers together. No interlocking.
Okay. And the toes are pointed.
The back toe pointed backward. Okay, let's leave it. Like exhale is correct. Inhale is wrong. Inhale, you are not getting me. I'm going to show you that breath now. So I'll show you Trikonasana. It's a regulated breath. All that you have to learn. Shaking not enough. Ekam. Dvi. Exhale is over. Training. Chatwai. Now I have to start inhalation. One breath. Two breath. Three. Inhale is over. Over. See how that breath is controlling my mind.
ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ
ಚಾಯ್ ಕೊಡು ಒಂಚೂರು.
It's experience. Keep practicing, keep will come. See, she is able to breathe well. Uma is improved a lot. Earlier, Uma used to breathe like that. If you do like that, yoga double stress. The slower you breathe, the deeper you breathe, the clearer the mind, the better the effects. Not like that. That is fight and flight method. No. Gone. Okay, Mandukasana, Samasthiti, Dhyana Mudra. Manduka means frog. Ekam, inhale, make a fist and keep it on the navel. Navel, standing fist. Fist. Keep it below the navel. So below the stomach fat. Okay, that was inhalation. All of you inhale. Now exhale. Keep your head down. Start inhaling. Now exhale. It has to dig into the stomach. Inhale again. Collapse your elbow. One more deep breath required. Now exhale. In the class, we will take 5 breaths. Now inhale, sit up. Mandukasana, sit up. Back straight. Exhale, release your hand. Now inhale to sit one side. Sit one side. Exhale, release the next. Straight. Sit straight, sit straight. Point your toe. Relax. Now, next sitting asanas, 4 asanas are there. Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana, Virasana, Supta Virasana, Vakrasana, Gomukhasana, 5 asanas. Samasthiti. Quickly let us finish all that. Samasthiti. Take one inhalation here. Don't lean. Keep your hands here. Hands looking forward. Straight side. You're putting it a little back. Try to bring it forward. Take inhalation. On the exhalation, fold your left leg on the right side. Straight back. Don't down. Sit straight always. Okay? If it's tough, you have to keep a brick below the thigh here. If you're tough, you have to keep one brick here. Now, do it. Inhale, take your hands up. Other leg straight. Why other leg bending? Breathing, exhale again. Wherever possible, catch it. So, what is happening here? This leg is in Padmasana, correct? And the body is bending forward. Now, inhale, look at your toe. Toe, arm. Exhale, little more bend. Try to keep your leg outside. I mean, don't cross it too much. Keep it towards the navel, your heel. Now keep that thigh down. Inhale again. Reach forward. Reach your chest forward. Exhale. Now you have to pull the body. 3. Inhale one more time. And exhale again. Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana. Inhale, sit up, lift your hands up. Straight back. Exhale, put your hands down. Slowly, where's your hurry? Straight back. Now inhale, take your left leg forward. Straight back. Exhale, fold your right leg. Keep it on the navel. See, the heel has to come here. See that? It's okay. Take it a little outward. Keep a brick below your thigh. So keep a brick below your thigh. With right hand. Okay. Now inhale, hands up. So those who have got difficulty, you can keep a brick like this. What I'm saying, and exhale. So if you keep a brick, it's easier because you get support there, and your knee will not get pain. Inhale, look at your toe. Exhale, a little more, go down. Now inhale, catch longer, catch a little more longer. Catch your leg here, no, catch it. Don't catch in the air. Exhale, go down. Now inhale, catch a little longer catch. Keep on catching longer. Exhale, put your head down. Last exhalation. Good. Inhale, sit up, lift your hands up. Point your left toe back. Exhale, hands down. Inhaling, release your right leg forward. And exhale. Now, inhale, fold both your legs to the left side. Left side, your own left side. Wait, no. Did I ask you to do? I just said fold, no? Now, exhale, sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana Dhyana. Take an inhale. Down from here. Exhale. Now, inhaling, take left foot outside your body. Left heel outside. Wait. Okay? Left heel outside. Take it out. Now, exhaling, take your right foot out, right heel outside. And sit in between the legs. How much ever possible. Knees are together. Correct. Hands in Dhyana Mudra, foot pointed backward. Inhale. Virasana hero pose. Chest up. Exhale. Keep your knees together. You should be sitting between the feet. Buttocks is touching the floor. Inhale. Okay. Technique is correct. Difficulty I can understand. Exhale. What is this called? Virasana hero pose. Okay. Back straight. Again take an inhalation. Now exhale. Keep your elbow behind. Rise up together. Now this is enough for most people. The next level is only for Chaitanya who can lie down. Take an inhale here. This is enough for you. On the exhalation, please lie down. If you can, this is optional. If you can, then only. Now, seniors, inhale, take the arms over your head. Chaitanya can try for all of it. Now, others stay there. Inhale. That is enough for you, people. Exhale. And another. What is that, Uma? 1. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, that's enough. Arun, good. And exhale, everybody, hands down, catch your ankles. Catch your ankles. Okay? Inhaling, pushing the elbow on the floor, come to sitting position. Little inclination down. Exhale, keep your hands in the arms. Who wants to sit out? Sitting down. Okay? Now, inhaling, sit in Vajrasana. Exhale, release your hands to the arms. Okay? Inhaling, sit to the left of your feet. Your feet is on the right. Feet is on the right. This is that side, other side. And the exhalation, release your legs in front of you, come on. And start, take your legs. So what are the asanas we did? Virasana, Supta Virasana. It's a hero posture. It is opposite of Padmasana. You did Padmasana like this, right? When this Padmasana is done, that opposite is Virasana. Okay, so when your husband is there, wife is there. No? Husband will say yes, wife says no. Similarly, Padmasana and opposite. Like that, right? So everything has got plus minus. You have to do both the sides. Finished Upasanas. Now, Vakrasana, Gomukhasana, last two sitting asanas, Samaskriti. Ekam, inhale, bend your left leg, keep your left hand back. So very simple. On the exhalation, bring the right hand on the left side, twist the body back. This is right hand, right? Keep the other leg straight. Catch the toe if you can, catch this toe. And look back around. Inhale, point to the other toe. Look deeper, twist your body. Exhale. Your stomach should come outside your thigh. Inhale. Look back all of you. Exhale. That's enough. Now inhale, look forward, release the hands, both the hands release. Sit straight. Exhale, release the left. Sitting straight, no choice for you. Otherwise, you will not attend my class. If you cannot sit straight, don't attend my class. Inhale, bend the right leg, keep your right hand back. Again, you fold your left leg. On the exhalation, twist the body, bring your left hand on the right side. And look at the, now inhaling, turn your neck, look back. Vakrasana. Good. Point your other toe. Exhale. One more deep breathing. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now inhale, look forward, release both the hands. That is training. On the exhalation, release your right leg. Ekam. Inhale, fold your left leg below the right knee. Left leg below the right knee. Correct. On the exhalation, fold your right leg in the opposite direction. Same method. Stop doing it. Look now, whatever I'm doing like that, you have to do. Keep this leg folded backward. Whatever possible. And now inhale, take your left arm up and right hand from the bottom. You have to try to catch your fingers. Gomukhasana. Exhale. Now take the elbow behind your head. Inhale. Straighten your back. Exhale. One more inhalation. Inhale, all of you. Now exhale, release your hands. Inhale, release your right leg first. Exhale, release the left leg. Sit straight, sit straight. Ekam, inhale, fold your right leg below the left knee. Right leg below the left knee. Now, on the exhalation, fold your left leg above the right knee in the opposite direction. So, what will happen? Both the knees will come almost one above the other. Whatever possible, do like that. Okay? But no bending on the back. Now, inhaling, take your right hand up and left hand from the back. Move. On the first exhalation, you have to try to touch your finger. Gomukhasana. Inhale now. Exhale again. Slow breathing. Back straight. Keep your neck also straight. Exhale once again. Try to straighten your back. Inhale, all of you. Now exhale, hands release. That is Chaturanga. Pancha. Inhale, left leg straight. Back straight. On the exhale, right leg up. Samaskriti. Hands back. So we finished all the sitting asanas. Any doubts on these asanas we did? Mandukasana, Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana, Virasana, Supta Virasana, Vakrasana, Gomukhasana. No doubt. No? And the classes slowly you will bring doubts. No problem. Okay, after some time. Online, anybody want to talk anything? Priya, yes.
Could you show me the Virasana once more, sir?
Samaskriti.
I wasn't able to see where your the foot was. I mean, the feet were.
Inhale, I fold my legs to one side. Inhalation. Exhale, I sit in Vajrasana. What you want to do is you do that. Inhale, take your left heel outside your body. On the exhalation, take your right heel outside and sit between the feet. So I am sitting between my legs. My buttocks is touching the floor. The heel will be outside. You have to sit between here. Careful, okay? Now here also, some people who have difficulty, what you have to do, I will tell you. Same method of the bricks you have to use here also. So when you use the bricks, it's easier. So when you do like this, once you sit in Vajrasana, when you take those extra breaths, try to keep the bricks going like this. So now see, Virasana is easier. Do not pain at all. Right? Press it in like that. If there is any pain on an ankle. Try ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು try ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah. Is it easy now? Yeah. See? So you try. Is it painful for you? No, no. For you it's easy. The arch of the leg. It will come with exercise. Very slowly come out. Then exhale, lie backwards, keep the elbow behind like this. If not reaching, just put the palm, this also fine. Okay? Or elbow. ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀಲ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ಉಮಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಧಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ exhale release then come back. Okay, so Priya, was your question clear?
One doubt. Yeah. In Vajrasana, how much hand should I give? Sir, I can say
Don't lean. So when you twist the body backward, what you have to do is, so don't put it too much behind. Now see, I'm leaning. So this armpit has to come on the thigh. So if you do this, now it's correct. So there is a pressure.
Should I touch like this and do?
Where?
Like,
yeah.
would I be wrong?
Yeah, correct one. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. So bring your chest out a little
So
more.
only this part, if it touches, it means that I'm not leaning.
Correct. No, this armpit.
This is fine. This will be
Yeah.
given.
So don't take it too much behind, that's all. You just have to keep that push live and look back like this. So I'll get a push and twist both. So push and twist. Anybody online, any other query? Otherwise I go to the next sequences. Okay, now Urdhva Prasarita Padasana. Next sequence is complete inversion, full inversion sequence. So I'll do all that in one shot. Okay. Samasthiti, lie down. Inhale, take the arms overhead. Exhale, keep the legs straight and pointed. Ekam, inhale, left leg up 30 degrees. Take an exhalation here. Now inhale, make it 60 degrees. Exhale here, only left leg. Now inhale, make it 90 degrees. Now exhale, bring the leg down. Slowly. Inhale, take your right leg 30 degrees. Take an exhalation. Don't bring it down. Now inhale, make it 60 degrees. Both the toes are active. Exhale there. Now inhale, make it 90 degrees. Straight up. Now exhale, bring the leg down. Don't drop it then. Now inhale, both the legs 30 degrees without bending them. Exhale there. Now inhale, make it 60 degrees. Exhale. Now inhale, make it 90 degrees. Now exhale, bring the hands down, both the hands down on the mat. What is that? Keep your hips down on the floor. Now legs are in 90 degrees. Now inhaling, try to catch both the toes on the center. Okay? Catch the toe. You can bend the knee. If you want, you can bend the knee and catch it. Just keep your body down. Keep your body down. Bend the knee. Catch it. Deepak. No, you are bending. Bend your thighs to the chest. Catch the toe. Put your head down. Keep your legs together. Now try to straighten your legs. Little straighten. Upwards. See, that's it. Just lie down. Exhale. Those of you can straighten the leg, straighten it. Inhale. Now, exhale and split your legs sideways. Both the legs you have to split it sideways. Don't lift your hips. Put your hips down first. Put your hips down. Lie down flat. Lie down. Put your head down. Head down. And lift your legs up. Lift both the legs up. Okay. Keep your legs together. Put your head down. Now catch the toe. Bend it down. Catch it. Keep your knees together. Inside. Catch it. Now try to straighten them. That's all. Don't spread it. Run it. Keep your buttocks down. Leg up. Straight. Keep that. Stay there. Join the knee. That's all. Keep your buttocks down. Back. Now, split your legs straight. Knee straight. All of it. Don't leave your leg. Straighten your knees. Buttocks down. Don't head up, no head up. Right at the leg. Good. Now inhale, all of you join your legs in center position. Center position. Knee straight in the bone. Chest go. Exhale, put your hands down on the mat. Hands down. Leg straight 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Here. Knee straight. Point your toe. Now put your hand down. Head down. Now lift your hips up. Come to Sarvangasana. Lift your legs up. Leg hips up. Quiet. Like this. Now straighten. Support your back. Support now. Support your back properly. Now support it. Stay there. Now run. Now support it properly. Lift it up. Inhale. Straighten your leg. Exhale. Inhale. There is a strengthen. Exhale. Keep your elbow closer. Inhale. Now exhale, take only one leg down, left leg down. Other leg straight up. Keep your hip up like this. Inhale, in that position. Exhale, put this leg down in more. One. Inhale again. Exhale, all of you there. Now inhale, bring the left leg up. Back to Sarvangasana. Lift it up, back to Sarvangasana. Exhale, bring the right leg down to Sarvangasana. Good. Inhale there. Exhale. Good enough. Inhale again. Support your back properly. Exhale. Now inhale, bring the right leg back to Sarvangasana. Both the legs are up. Now exhale, take both the legs down to the next side. Halasana. Both the legs down. Straight knee, straight knee. Inhale, keep your legs together. Exhale. Knee straight. Straight the knee. Inhale. Don't bite your legs. Exhale. Keep your legs together. Now one more breath. Inhale all of it. And exhale. Now inhale, bring your legs back to Sarvangasana. Back, lift it up, straight up, straight up. Keep high and stay there. Now seniors, exhale and keep your hands down. Only hands down. Your legs should be 90 degrees. Careful. Now Sarvangasana. Support, properly lift it up. Keep your legs together. Tighten it. Without effort, nothing will come. Put your elbow properly on the floor. Elbow support. Hand support. Lift it up. Now exhale, bring the hips down. Legs 90 degrees. Keep your back hips down. Hips down. While lifting the hip. Keep your knee straight. No. You keep your hips down. See how you sleeping. Now inhale, open your arms sideways. Open your arms sideways. So take it upward. Take it upwards. On the exhalation, keep only the left leg down. Only the left leg. Now inhale, open your arms sideways. Both the hands bring it to the shoulder level. On the exhalation, take your right leg to the left hand. Markatasana. So you have to take your right leg to the left. Inhale, look at your other hand. Exhale. So it's called Markatasana, twisted body. Inhale again. And exhale. So inhale, come back to 90 degree. Bring the right leg up. On the exhalation, put your right leg down on the floor. Put it down. Now inhale, take your left leg up 90 degree. Markatasana. Exhale, take your left leg to the right hand and try to catch the toe with your right hand. Now inhale, look at your other hand. Exhale. Bring it to shoulder level, deeper. Inhale, the leg should reach shoulder level. And exhale all of you. Now, inhale, bring your left leg back to 90 degree. Yeah. Exhale, keep your leg down. Now inhale in this position. And exhale, put your hands down. Okay, relax. So that was full inversion. So, one thing that some people are doing the mistake is the hip was not coming down. No, the hip is in the air. Can I show me the Sarvangasana again? Show me Sarvangasana again. Lift it up. Lift it up. Don't bite it. Why bite it? Lift the hips up. How will you try it in Sarvangasana? Different way. No, see how did I lift you just some time back? Lift it. Lift the hips up. Push it. It will come like this. Elbow closer. Elbow. Look at your toe. Keep on improving the straightness. Push. Push and improve the straightness. Support your back properly. All the fingers should be supporting properly. All the fingers, spread your fingers. Correct. Elbow close. Correct. Good. Now slowly bring the hips down, hold the hips down. Hips. Like a hips down now. See how you keep going. Bring the hips on down, head down. Now take the arms over your head. Keep the legs straight 90 degrees. Keep the legs together. Look at the sky without biting the lips. Okay, slowly exhale, put your leg down. Relax. Okay. So that was inversion. So what was the asanas we did? We did one leg raising, 30, 60, 90, correct? Then we did both the leg raising. Then we went to Sarvangasana, both the legs up. Then one leg balasana, correct? One leg went down. Then the other leg went down. Then both the legs went down, correct? Then we came back to Sarvangasana. After that, we kept both the hands down, tried to balance without hand support. Nirala Bhadrasana. Then we came down and did Markatasana. One leg to the other side. So that completes inversion. Any queries on this? What we did now?
So in Markatasana, sir, this leg doesn't stay like bottom here.
That bottom leg.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा घूमता है.
वो घूमना.
थोड़ा सा घूमना.
Because I try to think, but it becomes a little.
It होता है because this hip rises, no? This hip comes up. So the other leg slightly turns. Yeah, Priya, your question.
Sir, in the Sarvangasana, I think my elbows are spread out. So when I'm supporting my hip on my back, this area hurts.
Okay. Pains on your wrist?
On the wrists, yeah, here. I mean, like in Sarvangasana, it doesn't, but when I'm moving it to one to the side, then that hand hurts.
That one leg sideways, that one, right?
Yeah.
And here, when you're taking one hand back, one leg sideways, right?
Yeah.
What you have to do is see this hand support, bring it side of the hip here. So it was here, no, it was at the back earlier, correct? So what I do is I move it little sideways. See, I kept it here, then I take the leg down, so it doesn't hurt. So support, I change from here to here, and the wrist is not bending. If the wrist bends, then it will pain. If the wrist is straight, it will not pain. Don't bend the wrist. When you support that hand, don't bend the wrist. Now, take your hand a little sideways. Side of it. So try not to bend the wrist when you are doing that leg down position. If you bend the wrist, it may hurt. Okay? Try to do it like this. Then Setubandhasana, Chakrasana, Pavanamuktasana, Naukasana, Ardhashirshasana. These are the last 4-5 asanas. So I will explain that also. We'll do together. Setubandha, then Chakrasana, all that series. Okay? So if you lie down, inhale, take the arms over your head, put the arm. Exhale, keep the legs straight. Now inhale, bend both the legs, keep your feet apart from each other on the mat. Feet should be away. On the exhalation, bring the hands down and catch your ankles. Both the ankles catch. If it's not available, you can keep your hands on the floor. Now, inhaling, lift your hips up, bridge posture. Lift it up nice and full. Exhale. 2 breaths, let us take here. Inhale, lift the hips up a little more deeper. That's good. Exhale. Good. All of inhale, lift up a little more up. Enough. Now exhaling, change your hand position. Bring it by the side of your ears on the floor. Okay, then this is for seniors only. Those who cannot do Chakrasana, you can come down and relax. Inhale and lift up the full body in the air. Beginners may not be able to lift up. It may be difficult for you. Okay, jitna hota hai uthaiye. Chakrasana. Take one more breath. Inhale. While exhaling, walk your legs a little more inside. Take one more inhalation. Now exhale, come down. Slowly bring the body down. Inhaling, release both the legs forward on the mat. Exhaling, put your hands down. Shavasana position. So that was Setubandhasana, Chakrasana. Take 2 or 3 breaths here. Now again keep your legs together, both the legs together, hands close to the body on the mat. Exhale and be ready. Now inhaling, bend your left leg, hug the knee. Only the left leg bend. Left leg tanna. Every time you're confused on it. Don't lift your head up. On the exhalation, lift your head up. Yeah. Not the body. Body should not be sitting up like this. Body will be there only, but leg will come close to the. No, Tanma, you are sitting. You should not sit. Pull the leg down and just lift your head up only. Here, catch it near the knee. Catch it near the knee. Pull it down. That's it. Point your toe. Good. Now inhale, head goes down. On the exhale, release the left leg. Hand also on the mat. Together with the other leg. Inhale, bend the right leg, hug the knee. I did not say hug the shin bone, hug the knee. On the exhalation, lift your head up. Stay there, look at your nose. If you want, you can catch your elbows like this. You can fully hug both the hands. Inhale again. Exhale, point your toes. Good. Inhale, keep your head down. On the exhale, release the leg. Good. Now inhale, take the right arm over your head, bend your left leg. Right arm over and left leg bend. Exhale, turn to the ground. Okay. Then that Makarasana we are not doing because it's common. Inhale, stretch your arms in front, both the arms stretch it in front. Exhale, keep the legs together, point your toes backwards. Now, inhaling, lift complete upper body, lower body in the air. Now, inhale, lift up upper body and lower body. Everything lift up. Exhale, except your stomach, everything in the air. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale. सब कुछ हवा में. Inhale, join the legs also. Exhale. Inhale, all of you lift it up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, fold your arms below the head. Exhale, keep the legs away. Take 2 or 3 breaths, deep breathing. One more deep breath. Enough. Inhale, keep your palm by the chest. Both the palm by the chest. Exhale, keep the legs together. Inhale, come up on the knees and hands, cat position. Exhale, turn around. All of you turn around. White finger, white finger. And now, inhale, keep your knees together, feet together, everything. Standing toes. Exhale, keep the elbow down. Elbow will be close to the knee. Okay? Chin straight. Now, inhale, interlock your fingers. Interlock, lock. Exhale, keep the crown on the floor. Just inside that cup shape. Okay? Cup shape, you have to keep it on the floor. Floor. Just inside the cup shape. See the finger, Arun? Cup shape has to come here. Now keep your crown inside that cup shape on the mat. That is exhalation. Now when inhaling, without changing the leg position, you have to just straighten the knees up and come to head balance position. Ardha Shirshasana. Look at me if you don't know how to do it. See, from this position, I just lifted the knees up and came to the head balance. Knee straight. Exhale. Keep your legs together. Inhale. Walk forward a little. Exhale. Knee straight. Come back. Good. Inhale, all of you. Down. Exhale. Keep your knee down. Good. Take an inhalation there. And exhale. Balasana. Don't look up. Just relax. Sitting back and put your body on the thigh. Relax. Now what? 2 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more breath. Inhale. And exhale. All of you inhale and sit up now. Vajrasana. Exhale, interlock your finger. Inhale, stretch your arms to the sky. Don't bite lips, keep your lips properly. Exhale. Inhale, sit straight. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale, hands down. Dhyana Mudra. Okay, after that, in the class you will be lying down for 2 minutes, Shavasana. Okay, now any queries on what we did now? That was the last sequence. The last sequence had one back bending and then that Naukasana all that. You can sit conveniently. You show me Naukasana, lifting the, lie down on your stomach. Here, facing me, front face. Now stretch your arms in front. Keep your leg, first keep it down. Keep your legs together. Inhale, lift your upper body, lower body, everything in the air. Legs also up, leg also up, hand also up. Hand up, little more, try again. Try again. Chin up, chin up. Hands up. Chin up, hands up, chin up. Leg up. Don't hold your breath. Legs together. Exhale down. Inhale, sit up. So now Naukasana, okay, you have to do like you are not doing it. That's it. Don't bite your lips, keep your lips properly. If you eat after some time, it will cut. Blood will come. If you are Naukasana and all, it's difficult task. That time, if you bite, no, it will hurt your lips. Any queries from online people? Anybody? Muttu is there, Anita, Neelima, Rekha. Others like not.
Hello. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sure.
Sir, how in Sarvangasana, how to support back, sir? How is the hand position? Because so when I keep the hands, it is a bit wider.
No, so the elbow should be as close as possible. The hand support should be as low as possible. All the fingers should be supporting the back. So when you swing up, so you have to bring the elbow closer. So don't keep your elbow wider. Keep your elbow as close as possible and hand support as down as possible. Like that. When you get that depth of the hand, you'll get good straightness. So if you keep like this, gone. See if it's coming near the hip. Now, so this is okay for beginners. But when you come to full Sarvanga, the hand support has to come down and the full palm should be supporting the back. Full palm. Not your fingers like this. So try to keep the elbow closer and full palm supporting the back. Like that. So those are the two rules of that. Lower the support, closer the elbow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now before going to pranayama, anybody from advanced batch, 815 batch or children batch has got, there are some different asanas in those batch. Anybody, any queries from your side? Otherwise, I'll go to pranayama section. It's back straight, back straight.
Sir,
There are two new asanas in advanced batch. Bharat, Shanbag, Neelima, anybody is there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. So,
Sir.
what are the three asanas which are new in the sequence? One is Ekapada Kaundinyasana, Mandalasana, and these are the two asanas. Parivarta Paschimottanasana.
Sir.
I'll quickly show all those three asanas. So that, and Urdhva Kukutasana. How many of you can do that? I don't know.
Sir, I'm Akshita.
Akshita, okay. Samasthiti. Carefully, okay. If you cannot do, don't do it. Difficult asanas. Okay, inhale, fold your left leg Padmasana. Exhale, fold your right leg Padmasana. Inhale, stand up on the knees. Exhale, keep your palm on the floor. Now, Urdhva Kukutasana is a lifting up and down. Urdhva Kukutasana. Inhale, hands in front. Exhale, sit. Difficult asana, okay? Inhale out your one leg. Exhale, bring the other leg out. That is one new asana in your advanced class. Other asanas we have done earlier. Then, in that Ekapada Kaundinyasana and Mandalasana. Very difficult. I mean, just you can try, nothing wrong. If you sit straight, not allowed to sit like this. Come to this position, just like you do Bakasana. Carefully, you don't do. Observe, okay. If you can try. But after I do it once, you can try. So from here, Kaundinyasana. If you twist the body, keep one hand down, the other leg at the back. Ekapada Kaundinyasana.
Don't think in this birth of mine I can do this.
Yeah. So that was Ekapada Kaundinyasana. So how did I do that? I came to the cat position. I twisted my body to one side. I kept my armpit on that side. Then took that leg forward, this leg back, and tried to balance on the arm. So that is Ekapada Kaundinyasana in your advanced batch. Last asana, Mandalasana. Mandala means pivot. Mandala means pivot. I'm going to show you that. It's a difficult asana. It's an extension of Shishasana. There is one circle, and then the opposite circle. So in your advanced class, when you do it, see, you have to walk as much as possible, and a point will come when you will not be able to step to the other side. You can wait there. So I'm not saying that you have to do the full circle. Okay, so what you do is, from the Shirshasana, just walk from here position, just walk, keep walking, reach the position. You will feel that I'm not able to take the leg up. You start there. Okay? If you are taking this step, this turn is difficult. Okay, try to stop where you reach. And without falling, I want you to try that. It is only for advanced class, not for a regular class. Okay. So walk to that point, maximum point where you can reach. And then don't cross, just come back. These are individual practice asanas, it's not done in group. Okay. Similarly, when you do the other side, walk maximum, you'll reach a point where you cannot take the leg to the other side. You'll be fearful to take it. So stop there and come back. Keep doing. After a few months, you will feel, okay, I have the confidence to take that leg up. That time you do it. Till that time, don't do that. Okay?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
At the first asana, the Padmasana one,
Yeah.
is the leg lifted on the arm strength or is it hinged somewhere?
No, it is on the arm strength, you're pulling it up. You're pulling the leg up with the arm strength.
So it's in the air.
In the air, yeah. You're lifting the body in the air with the push of the arm. Urdhva Kukutasana.
Okay. Thank you.
सर
Yeah.
पद्मासना कैसे करना है दिखाइए सर एक बार।
हाँ, तो हम अभी इस महीने में वो एक कर रहा है ना कि हम लोग ये अर्ध पद्मासना कर रहा है, ऐसा रख के बेंड
सर।
कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है हम लोग ये महीने में। ये
Yes,
करते
sir.
करते थोड़ा सा आपका ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आएगा,
Okay.
ये जॉइंट ऑल द जॉइंट थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल। तो जब पद्मासन करते हो
Oh,
ऐसा बेंड करके उसको घुमाना है।
yes, sir.
तो थियरी बोलेगा नहीं होगा, धीरे धीरे करके आपका आएगा वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। तो पहले ऐसा रख के जब हम लोग ये महीने में ऐसा करेंगे ना, बेंड करेंगे, तो ये लाइक थोड़ा 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 करके आएगा, धीरे धीरे आएगा।
Okay, sir.
Inhale, so bring the leg in, keep the knee safe, then keep it down. It should not be done like this.
Yes, sir.
Do like this, the injury can come. Okay, so just bend the knee, then tilt it. Correct. It is safe to do it like that. If you do directly like this, beginners can do, but no, beginners don't do like that. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Shiva, I have one question. In Chakrasan, I'm unable to keep my shoulders first. Any trick there?
Shoulder down first, is it?
I am able to keep my head down, but shoulders I'm unable to keep
The
first.
reason is you are, see, there are muscles at the back called the trapezius muscles here. Trapezius muscles there. So you have to tighten that muscle so that your shoulder comes. Otherwise, the head will come. So when you come down, you have to control that action. When you here, when you come down, it's easy to keep like this. I mean, head. So
Yeah.
you, damage your neck if you do like that. From when you come down, look up. So from here, look up and come down. So the moment you start coming downwards, look up.
Okay.
So what will happen? Your head will not be able to touch the floor. So because you are here, so from here, the moment as of now I am looking downwards, not towards the eyebrow. When I exhale, come down. See, I changed my head upwards. So my shoulder came down.
Okay, I will try that.
Try looking up. When you start coming down, it will come. You need a little strength on these muscles, the trapezius muscles at the back. So that will develop gradually when you try to keep your shoulder down, not the head.
Okay.
Now, in pranayama section, we have got Vilom pranayama, Brahmari pranayama. These are only two things. And then Viloma, Brahmari, and Kapalabhati pranayama. Sit straight. We'll do first stomach breathing, abdominal breathing. So that is called Kapalabhati pranayama. Vajrasana is the best for all that. If it's difficult, then you can sit in Sukhasana with bricks, those who cannot straighten the back. So take inhalation. While exhaling, the stomach will flap. Relax, slow down. Correct only. Where is that sound? Show me. Show it again. See how that sound is coming? Why for you no sound? Right? No breathing, huh? No breathing. Sound will come now. No sound. Practice at home. Go home, practice. That sound will come from the nose. Now you show me. Sound from the nose. Chetna, right? See, sound is coming. So sound will come. Kapalabhati sound will come from the nose. Okay. Don't move body. Don't do so like all these things. Should not do. Vastrika. How do you do Vastrika? Thumb inside, finger around your thumb, back of your wrist on your thigh. No, thumb inside. Back of your wrist, on the thigh. Now, inhale, chest up. Only chest. You're doing like this. Not like that. Chest upward. Chest come up. Mouth close. Ah. Chest up. Stop. So that is Bastrika, chest movement. That is for this month, current month, August. September, Kapalabhati. Do it again. When you are exhaling, the stomach goes in. Correct. No, you are doing ulta. But sound in the barabaru. Sound from the nose only. Dhyana Mudra. Kapalabhati is done in Dhyana Mudra. Bastrika is done in Brahma Mudra. Okay? Practice both at home. Next week when you come, you have to learn and come. No excuse. Then next is Viloma Pranayama. Viloma. Loma means hair. Viloma means against the hair, against the natural order. Here, inhale and exhale is done in batches, batch breathing. So bring your right hand on your nose, put your chin down. Chin down. How many right hands are there? I have only one right hand. No smiling. Smiling after class. No, fingers are kept like this. See this? Everybody mudra. No, these two fingers are folded inside. Right hand, why are you showing left hand? Hold this index finger, middle finger inside. Inside. Where the thumb is outside. Thumb outside. See, there are 5 fingers. Hold second finger, third finger. All the fingers straight. Hold it completely. All the fingers straight. Straight. Now make C shape. C shape with the hand. C shape. With all the 3 fingers. C shape. No. Thumb and ring finger, little finger. All the 3 fingers. C shape. These 2 fingers are not used. They are folded. Folded inside. Inside. No. I cannot correct you. Now bring it on the nose. Put your chin down. Chin down. Now, start from the right nostril. Inhale a little. Close it. Little more. Close it. Little more. Close it. Now full inhale. Close everything. Exhale, right a little. Close it. Again exhale. Close it. Again exhale. Close it. Fully exhale right. Left side. Close it. Again from the left side. Inhale a little. Close it. Little more. Close it. Little more. Left side. Close it. Full inhale left side. Close everything. Exhale right. Close it. Little more. Close it. Little more. Close. Full exhale right. Close. Wait a little. Inhale right. Close. Again 2 by 3. Close. Now 3 by 4. Close. And 4 by 4. Close. Now left side. Exhale 1 by 4. Close. 2 by 4. Close. 3 by 4. Close. 4 by 4. Close. Starting left side. Inhale 1 by 4. Close. 2 by 4. Close. 3 by 4. Close. 4 by 4. Close. Hold your breath. Start right side. Exhale 1 by 4. Close. 2 by 4. Close. 3 by 4. Close. And 4 by 4. Close. Put your hands down. Inhale. What is it called? Viloma Pranayama. Batch. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by batch. You have done earlier, I think. You have done. Pehले किया. तो बोलता Viloma Pranayama. Okay. Done. Last Pranayama. Bhramari. We'll do 3 times today, that's enough, otherwise time is not there. So bring your, see, this is how you have to keep the finger. See your, wait, look at, see the index finger on the eyebrow, okay, middle finger on the eyelid. Now, please listen now, you see now what I am doing. Why are you doing without looking? Index finger on the eyebrow, middle finger on the eyelids, then your ring finger on the nostrils, and your little finger on the upper lips, okay. Then your thumb will close the ears. So first, before closing, take inhalation. Now close the ears and do the sound, humming sound. Inhale. Second one. One more, inhale. Put your hands down. What is it called? Bhramari. Bhramara means, what is Bhramara means? V breathing. So that sound resonates inside the mind, inside the head. So the fingers are all closing here. This, and this. All are closed. And you are humming inside. Okay? Once you start, continuously let it be closed. Here, the teeth, little gap will be there. Between the teeth, 2 mm gap. The tongue, upper side of the mouth. Like, see, when you say letter N, na, let it touch up. But teeth को bite नहीं करना है. Teeth थोड़ा सा little gap. Little high pitch. Not like that. Little high pitch. Little more high. Like that. Now, what is the advanced asana of the month? I forgot that. Mayurasana, Hamsasana, Shirshasana. So, Mayurasana or Hamsasana we can do. Now, this is not very difficult, you can try. So, Mayurasana is tough, Hamsasana everybody can try. Put your head down. Insert your elbows below your navel, like this. Keep your fingers facing back. Put your head down first. Keep your elbow into the navel, inside the navel, finger pointing backward. Now, exhale, walk your legs back, both the legs back. Straighten your legs first, straighten the knees. So your elbow is on your navel. Then just lift your head up. Ho gaya Hamsasana. So that is Hamsasana. Only head up. If you can do that, how half the job is no. Elbow on your navel. Put your head down. Keep your elbow in the navel. Both the elbow in the navel. Now walk your legs back. Now just lift your head up. Ho gaya, Hamsasana ho gaya. That is called Hamsasana. If you do that, half the job is done. Next step difficult. Next step you can do, I don't know. The advanced people who are doing, I am going to show that. So I took my leg back, lifted the head. Now this is Hamsasana. Then Mayurasana. That is Mayurasana, peacock posture. Yeah. So that's the asana of this month, advanced asana. So only seniors, okay, those who are practicing for 4 or 5 years, or those who have been practicing some asanas before that time, only you should be practicing those asanas. Hamsasana you can do. That is not very tough. That's a stepping stone to Mayurasana. You practice. After 6 months, 1 year, you will feel, oh, now I can lift my leg. That will come. Okay? That's enough. Then, any other queries? So, closing prayer. Sit straight. Inhale, take your arms up sideways. Exhale to heart. Close your eye. Inhale. Together. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently go down. Thank God for today's practice. And come back. Thank you. Namaste. Bye. Namaste. Take care.
Okay, sir.
Say bye bye.
Okay, bye, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
I had a question about the Kapal Bharti.
Okay.